Good morning, aspirant. Hope you all are doing well, your days are going productive, and you are doing excellent in your studies. All asymmetric molecules are dissymmetric molecules, or all dissymmetric molecules are asymmetric molecules. What is correct? Asymmetric is more symmetric than dissymmetric, or dissymmetric is more symmetric than asymmetric. If you don't know the answer, or if you don't have the clarity, then this video is for you. So let's get started. We know to define any object or to define symmetry of any object, we need some mathematical tool or chemical tool. These tools are center of symmetry, axis of symmetry, point symmetry, and alternative axis of symmetry. Point symmetry means inversion center. Okay. For example, I am going to define symmetry of this object. Okay. So I will operate some symmetry elements. Those four I have told you, those are basically symmetry elements. So there are four types of symmetry elements. Suppose in this system, I have a plane of symmetry. If I pass a imaginary plane like this, so this will divide this structure into two equal parts, which will be mirror image to each other. That means it has sigma or plane of symmetry. So to define symmetry, we have four symmetry elements, four type of symmetry elements. Cn, that means axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry, that is sigma, then inversion center, that is I, and fourth, alternative axis of symmetry, that is Sn. Now, if in a molecule last three symmetry elements are absent, for example, I have told you four symmetry elements. So first one is Cn, then sigma, then I, then Sn. If last three are absent, then it will be called dissymmetric molecule, or dissymmetric system, or dissymmetric structure, or dissymmetric object. If all four are absent, then it will be asymmetric. Okay. If in a molecule all are absent, all four are absent, then obviously last three will be absent. So all asymmetric molecule will be definitely dissymmetric molecule, isn't it? So correct statement is all asymmetric molecules are dissymmetric molecule, but all dissymmetric molecules are not asymmetric. Because if in that dissymmetric molecule Cn is absent, then that dissymmetric molecule will be called asymmetric molecule. I hope it's clear. Now, in asymmetric molecule, everything will be absent. So symmetry is least in asymmetric molecule. But in dissymmetric molecule, it may have symmetry elements, Cn. That means dissymmetric molecule is more symmetric than asymmetric molecule. Right? So I hope your every confusion is cleared. Now, a question for you. Tell me, the sigma, that means plane of symmetry, and that I, that means inversion center, are they a kind of Sn? Are they a kind of alternative axis of symmetry? If yes, then how Sn is related to sigma and how Sn is related to I? This is your question. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.